How to add friends in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add friends in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So creating a friend or adding a friend in WhatsApp is a lot easier than you think. What you can do is you can actually add a contact. So let's do that. Open up your WhatsApp, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then after you're on the chat section right here, if you see a plus icon on the top right corner, tap on it. After you tap on it, you will then see an option where you can create new groups, add new contacts and stuff. So to add a new friend, you'll actually have to add a new contact. So tap on add new contact. And now what you can do is you can simply type in a number for your contact. And after you type a number in, you can then simply write the name for the contact. So just write the name for the contact and the last name. And if you want to sync your contact to your phone, you can do that as well. Then all you need to do is tap on the done button on the top right and you can then save your contact. So that's the one way to do it. Now the other way you can add contact is by heading over to your phone app. On your phone app, simply add a new contact. So head over to contacts and on your contacts, tap on plus icon on the top right. Then type in the first name, the last name if you want to, then tap on add phone. Now type in the number for your friend. And after you type in the correct number for your friend, you can then tap on done on the top right. After doing that, you can then open up your WhatsApp. Let's just discard this. And on your plus icon, tap on plus icon again. And under the search name option, simply search for the name of that friend. So as you can see, this is the person that I just added. Now, if they're on WhatsApp, you will be able to text them and talk to them from here. And that's basically how you can add friends in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.